What's going on, YouTube? Today, I want to talk a little bit about tomatoes. Now, we're still working on the How to Grow Great Tomatoes series, but a small event has happened in the tomato patch that I wanted to discuss. We can see here. Hopefully I got a good angle on that. The tomatoes are starting to change color. Now, the topic I would like to discuss today is when to pick the tomato. Lots of debates and lots of comments that I get on multiple places is, oh, fried green tomatoes. And is there anything wrong with a fried green tomato? Absolutely not. We love them. But I usually reserve fried green tomatoes for the end of the season when I get a lot of green tomatoes coming in because we're trying to get them before a frost. So, just a thought. I enjoyed the red tomato, a fully ripened tomato, especially our first tomatoes. I've waited a long time. We eat in season. We don't buy store-bought tomatoes, so tomatoes we eat, we grow. In that event, we're waiting and anticipating those rich, ripe flavors. Now the question is, when is it ready to pick? That tomato could definitely be removed from the plant right now, and it could be taken in, and there's multiple ways to ripen a tomato, and again, debatable topics. Stick it in a brown paper sack and let the ethylene gas, put it on a ripe or a sunny window ledge to ripen. All things to consider. The plant ripens the tomato. And there was an article published a few years back. I believe it was by Better Homes and Gardens, and if I can find it, I'll be sure to put it in the links below, that a tomato that is ripened off the vine and or under a high tunnel plastic, polyplastic, or in a greenhouse lacks more than 50 of the phytonutrients, and a lot of those are those anti-cancer and health benefiting nutrients from the tomato. So, something to consider, letting the tomato ripen fully on the vine. This is Charles. Enjoy the journey, and we'll talk soon.